Okay, I'm not sure if they're going to send us back to school or not, but if they do, I wanted to go ahead and share my Gorilla air filtration system. All you need is some shrink wrap, a Filtrate 1900 filter, and it's good for viruses. It'll go down to 1.0 microns, and I believe COVID is 1.1, so it should be effective for COVID. And what we're going to do is use this and place it on a regular box fan. Hopefully you got one of these hanging around in your garage or somewhere. I have two, so I'm going to use that. I got a 20 by 20 by 1 inch Filtrate filter. They're about $20. The fan was free. If you look on the edge, it shows you which way the air should flow. I'm going to put this on the back of the fan, so when the air comes in, it's going to filter it out, and the fresh air should flow through the front, so that all the good air should be coming out the front in a nice breeze to keep the air flowing. I'm going to kind of put it all together in a second, so give me a second and I'll be right back. Thanks. No, it isn't all that pretty, but it's effective. That's a lot of air, a lot of fresh air, clean air coming out. And just to give you one more test, no, it's not scientific, but it does make me feel better. And I want y'all to stay safe, just like me.